Today, I'm going to tell you about ContractHub. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. ContractHub is an enterprise-level contract management platform for creating, signing, and organizing e-documents. The platform that makes drafting, approving, signing, and managing unlimited contracts more efficient. Track the status of all your documents and set up custom access permissions for your senders and approvers. Create and send documents to collect e-signatures and approvals from clients, contractors, or new employees. An enterprise-level contract management platform that simplifies the entire process for your small business. That's what ContractHub is all about. Just click on the dashboard and you'll find folders, your upload widget, and a main menu to guide. You ready to send a document for approval? Upload your PDF file, then select who's signing from your team. If you have other team members that need to okay things first, you can set up that too. After you add the recipient's email, you will jump to the document editor. Once again, ContractHub keeps it simple by letting you drag and drop fields into your contracts. ContractHub helps teams generate, approve, e-sign, and manage documents about 80% faster. ContractHub keeps you in the loop with real-time updates on your document's journey. You'll know when it's been delivered, viewed, and opened. Plus, you'll know if anything bounces or gets rejected. For anyone needing to sign, it's pretty much what you'd expect. They can type in their name or upload a photo of their signature. And once that dotted line has been signed, notifications go out to all parties. And don't worry about security, because ContractHub uses the same trusted data centers as Amazon. Digitize your document process. Small business owners are drowning in digital paperwork, still sending contracts back and forth via email, and struggling to keep their shared drives organized. That's why ContractHub is a total game changer. All you got to do is upload documents, add signers and approvers, and send it off for e-signatures. No more emailing, no more cluttered shared drives, just a smooth, efficient process. And the best part is it's all happening on a single platform. Provide teams with an e-signature platform, standard templates, and workflows that integrate everyone from company counsel to management. You can upload and collect all your e-signatures in one place. That way, your team can draft, sign, and approve important documents stress-free. You'll be able to create and send unlimited contracts to clients, contractors, or new employees. You can even assign team member and client roles limited access to confidential paperwork. You can monitor the status of all your documents, including delivery timestamps. Anyone who manages your business can track document activity in real time across all teams. Plus, team members with access will be able to jump in and draft agreements using ContractHub's intuitive tools. ContractHub can streamline the entire contract management process, from drafting to signing and storing everything. That means you'll be able to send contracts and collect one-click signatures without bogging down your inbox or overwhelming your staff. This platform also lets you store documents and e-signatures securely, keeping them organized in separate folders. Best of all, you can generate contracts with predefined terms by creating templates tailored to your company's legal requirements. Just drag and drop fields into your documents to collect the info you need, or modify one of the primary templates to get started. You can even request a template that works for your business. The ContractHub team uploads new templates every week. Use an enterprise-level contract management platform to generate, sign, and store documents. ContractHub can centralize your contract management process, from template creation and digital delivery to secure storage. Sign off on less work. So, click on the link below to ContractHub for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.